Hello class, this is a video tutorial with HSC questions that involve the arc length and the area of sectors with angles as radians. So here we go. So for this one, a sector of radius 6 centimeters has an area of 50 centimeters squared. What is its arc length? So for this one, we're literally going to work with the piece of information that we have. We start with the area, and in this case we have r given to us. So from here I'm simply going to go half r squared is 6 squared theta equals 50. From here I can simply see that's going to be 36 divided by 2, so 18 theta equals 50. So theta is going to be 50 on 18, so 50 18 is simply going to be 25 on 9. So the arc length, sorry, the angle of this sector is 25 on 9. But that's not what it's asking for. It's asking for what is its arc length. So we just simply go back to here, r theta. So L equals r times theta, so 6 times 25 on 9. So 6 times 25 on 9 is simply 50 on 3. And there we have it. Okay, so move on to the next one. The arc length of a sector with a 6 centimeter radius is 5 pi. Calculate its area. Once again, I hope you can see these two questions are practically identical in that it's really just working with these two formulas here. So let's start with the piece of information that we have. It says the arc length is 5 pi, so r theta, so 6 theta equals 5 pi. So arc length, r theta, is 5 pi, good. So theta is simply 5 pi on 6. Now from here, we can simply use the information that we have to calculate its area. So area equals half, the radius is 6 squared, times 5 pi on 6. This one we can simply type in all the numbers. For the older calculators, just don't type pi, so half times 6 squared times 5 on 6. This gives me a nice round number of 15. But when you type in pi, you will get a decimal with the old calculators. So for example, if I type this in as 5 pi like this, it gives me 15 pi centimeter squared. And that is the area of this sector for this problem. That's essentially it. So those are two very straightforward problems. Hope to see you in the next video where we take on one that's slightly more tricky and then another that's even harder. Okay, so hope to see you then and best of luck.